Time stood still as I gaze in her waters. She eases me down, touching me gently with the waters that flow past my boat on the river. I don't cry out anymore. Oh, the river is wide, the river it touches my life like the waves on the sand. And all roads lead to tranquility base, with a frown on my face disappeared. Take me down to my boat on the river, and I won't cry out anymore. Oh, the river is deep, the river it touches my life like the waves on the sand. And all roads lead to tranquility base, with a frown on my face disappears. Take me down to my boat on the river, I need to go down. Let me go down, take me back to my boat on the river, and I won't cry out anymore. And I won't cry out anymore. And I won't cry out anymore. Well, did they pluck her Zavasaur fingers again? I'm back, yes, after many weeks away moving house and having lots of fun. Not really. Anyway, so here we are again. I'm glad to be back, hopefully in my new abode. Still playing with the camera angles and what have you, and so hopefully bear with me for a few videos till I get things sorted. Okay, so this is a song by a band called Styx, came out in about 1980, and a song called Boat on the River. Okay, I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on fret 5, 5th fret for the capo. Puts us into the same key as Styx recorded and played this song. Okay, so I've got a Russian feel to it, a very pleasant little ditty I think. So bear with me, I'll come back to you shortly with the lesson, and it does include the little mandolin solo for those of you who want to play the full song.